Hey friends, welcome back to Xvlogs. Today's recipe is a very easy version of Dynamite Shrimps. So let's see how it can be made. I have taken approximately 400 grams of deveined prawns. Add half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 heaped teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce. Mix everything well and leave it aside to marinate for about half an hour. Moving on to the next step, add 1 cup of mayonnaise to a separate bowl, 3 to 4 heaped tablespoons of hot and sweet tomato sauce. Mix everything well. Keep this mixture aside. Moving on to the next step, to make the flour mixture, I am using 1 cup of maida, all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of corn flour, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix everything well and leave it aside. To coat the prawns, I am using 1 egg, a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. Mix everything well. As you can see, I have the marinated prawns, the flour mixture and the egg. So I am taking each prawns one by one, dipping it in the flour mixture first, then into the egg and then again into the flour mixture. Coating this way helps the prawns to be more crispy. So you can also use cornflour slurry instead of the egg. It tastes the same. Follow the same procedure for all the shrimps and leave it aside in a separate plate. Moving on further, I will deep fry the shrimps in hot oil. Fry until they are crispy and golden brown. Remove them on a paper towel and allow the oil to drain. Here I have the fried prawns. I am taking them into a separate bowl and I am adding the sauce mixture. Add a generous amount of the sauce mixture so that it coats very well. Mix everything well so that it coats nicely. Serve these prawns immediately. Serve these as individual servings or in a bowl as such, but you have to serve this immediately because it might turn soggy after a point of time. So our delicious dynamite shrimps are ready, guys. So do try this recipe at your next party and let us know how it turned out. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.